Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a legal method to enjoy Crunchyroll Premium content for free in 2025. Follow these simple steps to take advantage of available offers and promotions. Step 1. Sign up for Crunchyroll. Start by visiting the Crunchyroll website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You can choose to register using your email address or sign up through a social media account for convenience. Step 2. Explore free trials. Crunchyroll often offers a free trial for new users. Once you've signed up, look for any ongoing promotions that grant you a 14-day or 30-day free trial. Take advantage of this offer to access premium content for no cost. Step 3. Referral programs. Check if Crunchyroll has a referral program available. This allows you to invite friends to join, and in return, you may receive rewards such as additional trial periods or discounts on premium memberships. Step 4. Educational discounts. If you're a student, don't forget to explore educational discounts. Platforms like Unidays or Student Beans often partner with Crunchyroll to provide exclusive discounts for students. Sign up and verify your student status to access these deals. Step 5. Bundle offers. Sometimes Crunchyroll runs bundle promotions with other streaming services. Keep an eye on package deals that may include Crunchyroll Premium as part of a subscription to another service at a discounted price. Step 6. Keep up with promotions. Stay informed about seasonal deals, flash sales, or special events where Crunchyroll might offer limited-time free access. Follow Crunchyroll on social media, subscribe to their newsletter, or check promotional websites regularly. Step 7. Participate in community events. Join the Crunchyroll community through forums or social media platforms. Sometimes community events, contests, or giveaways can provide opportunities to win free premium subscriptions or trial extensions. Step 8. Utilize family plans. If you have family or friends with a Crunchyroll Premium account, inquire about family plans. Sharing the subscription can significantly reduce the costs and sometimes even offer you premium access at no extra cost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and updates on enjoying your favorite anime legally.